Downloading your account data from Zelle can help you keep track of your transactions and manage your finances effectively. Follow these steps to download your data. Step 1. Log into your bank account. Visit your bank's website or open the mobile app where you have Zelle linked. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Zelle Transactions. Once logged in, look for the section that displays your Zelle transactions. This may be under Payments, Transfers, or a similar heading, depending on your bank. Step 3. Select the date range. Find the option to filter or customize the date range for the transactions you want to download. Choose the specific period for which you need the data. Step 4. Download the data. Look for a Download, Export, or similar button. Click it and select your preferred file format, such as CSV or PDF, to download your transaction data. Step 5. Save and organize your data. After downloading, save the file to a secure location on your device. Organize it in a way that makes it easy to access for future reference. By following these steps, you can easily download your Zelle account data and keep track of your financial activities.